So the first question is, how do we cut this piece out of this piece? So in SketchUp it looks like this. You just put it in there and you can see there is a bevel. This here is the bevel, and here's a bevel too. It's pointing in the other direction. And there is a compound miter here and a compound miter here. So how do you actually cut this thing? So at first, when I want to do the longitudinal cut, this is the cut that you have to do on the table saw with a bevel box to get the necessary accuracy. I want to take these two lines, and right now they are not the same length. Yeah, so that's the length that I want. And on this side, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make it a little longer, like so. Okay. Now it's the same length. Put them right in here. And then I know how much I have to cut off. So take the hand tool. Let's take a closer look. So this is what we want to be cutting off. This and this. And this too. Okay. Now let's take the erase tool and cut it off. Okay, now we have done the left side. Now we want to do the right side. So again, we need to make some lines longer. So this line needs to go here, and this line needs to go here. Okay. So now let's pick those lines and put them here. So this side is tilted that way, so I have to grab it here. Copy mode. Let's copy this guy. Okay. Good. So on this side, I'm going to take the line tool, boom, make this one a little longer. Alright, I got to get it right here, and okay, erase tool, let's erase this. Okay, now we have taken off the longitudinal part. Okay, this comes first. Those are the measurements. We just have these measurements and we apply them to this strut anywhere here. Ideally, you don't want to waste too much, so you're going to put it somewhere here. Okay, then your strut is going to look like this. Don't need that. Okay, that's your first cut. Now, what's the most important thing in geodesic domes? It is actually this. This side is the most important thing. The longest side is the most important thing. It's not the angle here. If you mess this angle up, you can still get it right with a little trick. And here's the trick. So you did this angle, and you know that this is 58.1 centimeters. So you're going to take the line tool or your little pencil, and you want to end up here. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it here. Normally we want this as a result. We want this to be here. But we're going to do this extra step. We're going to take our measurements and apply them here. Now we're going to cut this off. We know this is, it's all parallel anyway. So we're going to take this here and we're going to move it. You will be doing this with a tape measure tool. Okay, let's do this with the tape tool, tape measurement tool, like you would in reality, 6.5 centimeters. So you're going to apply the 6.5 centimeters here, 6.5. And now you take this side and you're going to move it. And you know that after this operation, you know that this distance here will be 51.8. Even if you fuck up this angle, your longest side will be correct to the millimeter, and this is crucial. So now you go ahead and you cut it off. So this is your third cut. You need 3 cuts per strut. Actually, if you count those 2 longitudinal cuts, you need 5 cuts. 5 cuts per strut. You need 5 cuts to get to this. This is a 4 frequency. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 frequency. Okay, hope this helps.